Hi, 8th graders. This is Mrs. Carlson, just doing a little how-to video on how to do your next section. So this is the part 3. We're still talking about angles, and we're going to use some of those facts that we have learned to fill out this chart. So you have this in Google Classroom, and this is called angry angles, probably because it might make you angry, and that's okay, because we'll learn in that process, so no worries. What we're going to use first are these little blue numbers. So you have actually been given more numbers than you even need to solve all of this stuff. But these blue numbers are going to help you. So if this is 135 degrees, there's a couple of things we know. First of all, we know that this and this are vertical angles to each other. So I know that these are across from each other, and therefore, kind of like the way scissors open, they have the exact same value. Now I also know that this 135 is on the same line as this one. And so you can go into this and you can say, okay, well, if 135 and this angle are on the same line, then those two together must equal 180 degrees. So if you take 180 degrees and you subtract the 135, you get 45. So you'll be able to go through each of these and solve in that way. Okay? Once you have, let me see, I got to get that angle out of there. Same type of thing goes over here. So if you know that this is 75 degrees, this is a vertical angle, and you'll then know this one. Well, guess what? Now you have two angles in a triangle. So I know that this angle and this angle and this angle have to add up to 180 degrees. Now over here we're going to use either these supplementary angles. If I know this is 83, I know that this angle and 83 have to add to 180. And then we can start using our alternate exterior angles and all of that kind of stuff in there. And down here, because we're involving 90 degrees, we're involving complementary angles. So I hope that all works for you. It looks like I had to go through and edit and make sure that your writing isn't tiny, but otherwise you should be set. Please let me know if you have questions.